How to add a program to startup in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Run application by using the shortcut Window plus R. Once the Run tab opens, simply type shell startup and simply the startup folder will open on your device. After that, head toward the folder which application you want to add in startup. Copy that file. Then after head back to the startup file in your device and simply right click on the folder and paste it. Once you do, you can follow this same method for all the program which you want to add in startup and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can add a program to startup in Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.